Ever felt like you're trapped in a digital labyrinth, searching for that one elusive key that unlocks everything? That magic phrase, that secret number, that activation code? Specifically, your 8x8 activation code? You're staring at your screen. Maybe you've just signed up. Maybe you're trying to get a new device working. Or maybe you're just trying to troubleshoot a problem. And all you need is that one string of characters. But where is it? Why is it hidden like a digital treasure? Don't worry, you're not alone. I've been there, we've all been there. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack, except the haystack is made of menus, settings, and support documentation. And let's be honest, sometimes those support docs feel like they're written in a language only understood by robots. So, let's cut through the confusion. Today, we're going to demystify the 8x8 activation code. We're going to go from frustrated to functional, from lost to found. We're going to explore all the nooks and crannies where this code might be hiding, and we'll cover the steps you can take to retrieve it, even if it feels like it's completely vanished. First, let's understand why you need this code. 8x8, like many unified communications platforms, uses activation codes to link your devices and applications to your account. This ensures security and proper configuration. Without it, you're essentially locked out of using the full features of the service. It's the key to making your desk phone ring, your mobile app work, and your computer soft phone connect. Now, where do we start? The most common place to find your activation code is within your 8x8 account's welcome email. When you first signed up, 8x8 likely sent you an email containing important information, including your activation code. Dig through your inbox, especially your spam or junk folders, and search for keywords like 8x8 activation, welcome, or setup. If you find the email, great. Your code should be right there, usually clearly labeled. Copy it carefully because even a single incorrect character can cause problems. But what if you can't find the email? Don't panic. There are other avenues we can explore. Let's talk about the 8x8 admin console. If you have administrative access to your 8x8 account, this is your goldmine. Log in to the 8x8 admin console using your credentials. Navigate to the Users section. Here, you'll see a list of all users associated with your account. Select the user for whom you need the activation code. Within the user's profile, look for sections related to devices, services, or activation. The exact location of the code may vary depending on your 8x8 plan and version, but it's usually within these areas. If you are setting up a physical device, like an 8x8 desk phone, the activation code might be displayed directly on the phone screen during the initial setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, and you should see the code displayed. Now, let's say you've tried all of these methods, and you still can't find your activation code. What's next? It's time to reach out to 8x8 support. 8x8 offers several support channels, including phone, email, and live chat. The best option depends on your preference and the urgency of your situation. If you need immediate assistance, call 8x8 support. Be prepared to provide them with your account information, including your account number and any other details they may request. Explain that you're unable to locate your activation code, and they should be able to assist you. If you prefer email or live chat, you can submit a support ticket through the 8x8 website. Be as detailed as possible in your request, and include any relevant screenshots or error messages. When contacting support, it's crucial to be patient and polite. Remember, they're there to help you resolve your issue. Another potential area to explore is your 8x8 user portal. If you have access to your individual user portal, there might be a section where you can manage your devices and retrieve activation codes. Again, the exact location will vary depending on your setup. Now, let's talk about some common pitfalls and troubleshooting tips. One common mistake is entering the activation code incorrectly. Double-check the code for typos and ensure you're entering it in the correct field. Some codes are case-sensitive, so pay attention to capitalization. Another issue can arise from outdated software or firmware. Make sure your 8x8 applications and devices are running the latest versions. Outdated software can sometimes cause compatibility issues and prevent activation. If you're still having trouble, try restarting your devices and applications. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve minor glitches. If you're setting up a mobile app, Ensure your phone has a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can prevent the activation process from completing successfully. Let's address a few specific scenarios. If you're setting up a new desk phone, ensure it's properly connected to your network. Check the network cables and ensure your network is functioning correctly. If you're setting up a soft phone on your computer, ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for the 8x8 software. If you're setting up a mobile app, ensure your phone's operating system is compatible with the 8x8 app. And here's a crucial point. If you're dealing with a business account, always consult with your IT administrator before making any changes to your 8x8 settings. They may have specific procedures or policies in place that you need to follow. Think of your activation code as a digital passport. It verifies your identity and grants you access to the services you need. Without it, you're essentially stuck at the border. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.